This is a brand new week and I'm super excited. My name is Julia and I'm always excited whenever I'm doing my videos because I love to share values. So, warm welcome to the first beautiful new week that starts with Monday in December. So, happy first Monday to everyone. So, I'm excited because this weekend on Saturday we are hosting the Goals and God with Julia 2023. So what we are doing is I'm helping a group of people to set their goals for 2024. You begin to plan your 2024 right now, and when you finish the planning, we will strategize and figure out how to fund our goals. Because one thing is to have your dreams, set it up. It's good to dream, but a dream without action is useless. You know that, right? So we're helping people to set up their goals and we are presenting it to God. We are speaking to God. We are speaking over our goals and we are praying that God will bring us the right connections, the right information that will change our lives. So that is all about the Goals and God 2023. If you are in Enugu, you would love to be a part, drop it in the comment section and I'm going to reach out to you and you will be given all the necessary information for the event. Okay, so moving on, I want to talk about our December money move. So this is a new month. Last month we did a whole lot. I'm going to put up our scorecard in the community, the things that did wonders for us in last month, and we took those advantages. Sometimes it may just take you one stock, just one deal that could give you 70% of your money. Imagine if you have invested say 100,000 and you are getting 170k. You invested 1 million and you're getting 1.7. Isn't that amazing? Just one good move for the month, it could just be the only thing you needed. So I want to help you prepare so that this month of December you can still make a lot of money. I'm telling you the honest truth. A few days ago we discussed how we're going to make our December become big in the community, and it's one of the privileges you get as being a member of the Money Circle community. So I also started thinking maybe I should do like a challenge, how you can earn your first dollar. I'm still thinking about it. I hope the Holy Spirit speaks to me, and I can't promise right now, but I'm thinking about it. I would like to do a 3 days challenge, and I would love you to prepare. Ask other people to come and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is a wonderful channel that gives you information on how you can make money. So I'm going to think about it and see how to prepare for that particular challenge class. It's going to be free. It's going to be aired on the YouTube channel so that you can catch up on it. So I also want to tell you that clock is also ticking. This is a good time for you to prepare. For me, this month of December, I'm doing my countdown to profit. So I'm giving out strategies that could transform people's lives and help them achieve their financial goals. And I want to tell you something, you that is listening to me now, if you want to take your investing, your financial gain to the next level, you need to take your financial future very seriously. And that comes with better financial education and results. Let me say it again. Better financial education and results, and that is one of the things I'm giving out in the community. Investing strategies that you can implement, and you can start little. You don't need the whole world to start. And then the secret that a lot of rich people, where billionaires are putting in their money, so that you can double and get more money. Let your money begin to work for you. And these are time-tested strategies that are working. Even when the stock market is going down, we still have strategies to make a lot of money. So currently, right now in the market, a lot of stocks are so overbought because market has been rallying in the last 4 weeks. Like the month of November was lit. So this is not actually the best time to invest in some stocks. And when you don't have the right information, my brother, my sister, my darling friend, it is not the right time to invest in some stocks. But how do you know the right ones to buy at this point in time? I'll still make effort and drop some nuggets on some you can actually invest in. That's what I do every week. So we as investors, we do not buy assets that are overpriced. So when I say an asset is overpriced, meaning that it is actually overbought, it is expensive. So say you want to get a stock and it has run from $3 to $14. If you buy it at 14, the possibility to run from 14 to 28 is very low. But if you wait for it to come back to about 4 or 5 or 6, you can ride it up again to 12, 13, and you can make a lot of money. So that is in simple term. I like to break things down. So we are looking at stocks that are overvalued, that are cheap, or stocks that still have tendency to run, but they are within a reasonable amount that we can afford to buy. So without much ado, I would like to let you know that learning how to make money in the stock market is absolutely the best investment I have made in my life. Like, it has really changed my life. You can imagine some of the people in the community making 70% profit from some of the stocks that we made a lot of money, and this happened in less than 30 days. So what additional streams of income is paying you today? That's the question I want to ask you. So keep that question in your head, and let's move into the business of the day. I'm going to be calling out 3 stocks that I'm looking at. I think you are going to also enjoy looking at them. Let me talk about the first stock, which is Carvana. Okay, this is something interesting. Since the month of November, you can notice that this stock has been moving within 28 to 35, and right now the stock pre-market is at $36. $36. Okay, now this stock, I'm looking at it dropping to about 35 this particular week. I'm seeing the stock drop up to about 35.50, 35.80, and racing to 37, 38. So if you're able to get the stock at 35.60 and you ride it to 38.60, you may have made $2 per each share. So if you have up to 10 shares, you will make $20. That's more than 20k. And this is just one example. So this is one stock that I'm watching this week. You should also watch the stock. If you've been following the other videos I make, you will notice I call out some stocks in the beginning of the week, and at the end of the week I do a recap of how the stocks did. Now the second stock I'm going to talk about will be, the second stock is American Airlines. Okay, American Airlines is a stock that I love a lot. The reason is that this stock, usually I buy it whenever I see it around $11 to $12, and you can see here the last month of November, this stock was almost around 11.60 and gradually entered the 12, and now the stock has entered 13. This particular stock has possibility of running to 16. In fact, the last time it touched $19. Now this stock is for people that have patience. If you have money you don't need at the moment, maybe money you don't even need in December, maybe it's money you need in January, because it's an airline, and you see during Christmas period there are lots of travel, so airlines make a lot of money due to the festivities. So this is their moment. From now till New Year, those stock will be doing very well because that is their moment. Companies that are into hospitality and all that, this is their moment. This stock, I bought some and I'm leaving it to touch at least 15 before I start thinking of selling it. So this is a stock I'm looking. But if you're looking to make quick money, those that bought it at 12 can actually sell this stock at 13. Those that bought it at 12.50 can actually sell it at 14. So assuming you don't have the patience to wait for long, you can sell it once it touches 13.50, 14 and above. This is the second stock. And I'm going to briefly talk about the one more stock before I wrap it up. The last stock for me is Tesla. Now Tesla, was hovering around 230. In fact, the last 1 month it has been around 210 to 220, and recently it moved up its level to 230 to 233. So mark the ranges. Okay, the range for me is anytime this stock is around 230 or 233, it's a buy for me currently. Once I get it at 230 to 233, I am waiting for this stock to get to 250, and that's when I will sell, making $20 per share. So if I get 5 shares of this stock, I can make for myself $100, which is more than 100k. And there are so many things you can do with this kind of money. I'm just giving you free expo, free secret for this month. So look out for this information, and by the end of the week, like always, I will come back and do a wrap up and tell us how some of the stocks, the rest of the stocks, since you're not in the community, I won't be sharing it here, but those in the community will be getting more detailed information. It's in the second link in the description in case you really want to join us in the community and help yourself and prepare for your financial future, because next year we'll be doing so many things: retreat, travel, saving, making more money, and earning in $4, $5, $6 figures. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for being attentive till this part of the video, and please like this video. Can you please press? It doesn't take anything. It doesn't take any single thing. It's not going to change anything. Just click on the like button. Subscribe if you have not. Send this video to someone. Like, comment. Is this something you learned? Please drop it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.